everyone and welcome in today's video tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing about the new features that the marketplace multi-vendor module for Magento 2 has added in the module. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the new feature known as the static or dynamic SKU configuration. So now let's see what this feature does. Firstly, we have to go to the demo and then you can go to the back end and the front end. In here, you have to go to stores and then configuration. So under marketplace and sellers product setting, you can see the options as allow sellers to add product with SKU type and product SKU prefix. These are the two options that have been added by this feature. So in the SKU type, you can see there are two options, static and dynamic. What this does is, if you select static, then when you want to create a new product, you can see there is an option called SKU. So you can fill in your SKU here. You can put it as anything. So when we have selected the SKU type as dynamic and we have clicked on Save Config, then you can refresh the page and here you can see the SKU option is now hidden because it will automatically be filled according to the product name. So this is what this SKU type static or dynamic does. So in product SKU prefix, you can add here any prefix which you want to be present before your SKU. So let's say we want to add webcool here. So whatever the prefix will be generated, webcool will automatically be the prefix of that SKU. Now let's see, we have selected the static type and we have created the prefix as webcool. Now let's just click on Save Config. So now let's see how these features actually work. For this, let's just select the SKU type as dynamic and select the prefix as webcool. So now let's see how this will affect on the product page. Let's just save the settings. Settings has been saved and now let's just create a new product. Click continue. Select the category in which you want your product to be in. Let's just say decor and then select the product name. Let's just say laptop table. Just fill in the description and then you cannot see the SKU as you have selected the dynamic SKU type. So the SKU will automatically be selected. So just select the price, select the stock, visibility and input the weight as you don't want to make your product as virtual. And just you can select the product image, but for now we will be leaving this and just click on save. See, as the product is in decors. So the product has been saved. Now let's just go to the decode. Here, as you can see, your product is not visible here. Why? Because we have to go to the marketplace management and then manage product. From here, the admin has to approve the product. So here you can see the product laptop table and you can disapprove or approve it. Let's just approve the product. Records has been approved. So now let's just refresh this page. So now you can see your product is now visible here. Let's just click on it and you can see the SKU as Webcool laptop table. So the SKU was dynamically created by the product name, that is the laptop table, which is this part of the SKU, and then this is the prefix that we have selected for the SKU, which you can see in the configuration settings. Here the SKU type is dynamic and the prefix is Webcool. So this is the new feature that has been added to the Magento 2 marketplace multi-vendor module. So admin can allow the sellers to add the product with two types of SKUs, that is static and dynamic. So in this product we have seen that the admin can allow the sellers to add the product with two types of SKU, that is static, that the seller has to fill in the SKU, or the dynamic, that the SKU will automatically be generated according to the product's name. And the other thing that we have seen is the SKU prefix, where the prefix that we have added here will automatically be included in the SKU when you have selected the dynamic settings. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.